Are you also lactose intolerant and craving an ice cream that actually tastes like an ice cream? Here's the best recipe for you. All you need is sugar, your favorite lactose-free milk, and eggs. Boil 3 cups of milk, and I'm making vanilla ice cream, so I've cut and scraped 1 pod of vanilla. In the meantime, whisk together 5 egg yolks and half a cup of sugar until it becomes light and frothy. After removing the vanilla pods, you can add your milk to your sugar and egg mixture. Slowly at first, and once it's all incorporated, you can add the rest and make sure it's properly mixed. Put your mixture back into the pot on medium heat and make sure that you whisk constantly with a wooden spoon. Do not let it boil. It will be ready when the foam disappears, is thick and coats the spoon. Transfer to a bowl and refrigerate till cold. Pour the cold mixture into your ice cream maker and let it run until it thickens. You can stop it when it gets to the consistency you like. I like it when it's still a little creamy. Scoop your ice cream out into a freezer-proof container, and there you have it. Now pop it in the freezer and you have ice cream for the week. Enjoy!